What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei TalkBand B6 fitness tracker that also doubles as a Bluetooth headset. We are going to perform a quick unboxing. We will have a look on the device, its design, highlighted features, specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So here on the front side you can see that there is an image of the fitness tracker and you can see that it pops out of this wristband and then you can use it as a Bluetooth headset. On the back of the retail box you will find some highlighted features and specs that it comes with: dual microphones, Bluetooth 5.2, full health monitoring. We got Type-C port that supports fast charging, 3D arched screen with 326 ppi, and then this also comes with first beat algorithm for scientific workout guidance. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we go. Here is the TalkBand B6 fitness tracker. Here we got the quick start guide. I guess it's in Chinese. And then here we got the USB Type-C cable. And here are few of the ear tips. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei TalkBand B6, the TalkBand B6 fitness tracker, USB Type-C cable, user manual and few ear tips. So here is the Huawei TalkBand B6 fitness tracker. Let's switch it on. So I will have to go through the setup first, and for that I'm going to make a separate video. Right now in this video I'm just going to skip that part and I will make a separate video because it's a lengthy process and it's going to take some time. So in that another video you will go through all of these settings and features that you can use on your TalkBand B6 to use it perfectly. So the setup of our Huawei TalkBand B6 is completed. So first of all let's talk about the design. We got a mocha brown color variant that comes with a mocha brown leather belt. There are different variants as well with the silicone and metal strap as well, depending on which variant you are buying. So in terms of design, this one looks very elegant. If you have a look from the side, you can see we got a curved edge. The same goes with the display as well. It's elevated from the surface of this metal part here. On the right hand side, we got the multi-purpose key, and at the bottom we got 2 points where we apply a bit of pressure, then the screen will pop out like this, and then if you take it out it will be converted into an earpiece. So here is the earpiece that you will have to put in your ear and then you can use it as a Bluetooth headset. Here on the back side we got the set of sensors, a USB Type-C port with fast charging capability. Here we got 2 microphones for voice calling and it comes with noise reduction as well. And as we have seen during the unboxing that we got some ear tips as well that you can use here for a perfect fit of TalkBand B6 in your ears. This is the slot where the tracker goes in and it fits so perfectly that the whole package is IP57 waterproof. So once you put the tracker inside, there is a magnet as well that provides a very nice grip, as you can see here, and it's hard to take out without applying some pressure. So this is also very nice. After that you just need to apply a bit of pressure and here we go. So the whole setup goes IP57 waterproof, but the leather strap obviously here is not waterproof, so you have to keep this thing in your mind. The leather is also of very nice quality here. And on the back once again you can see that we got a Huawei logo. So overall in terms of design, Huawei TalkBand B6 is a very premium looking gorgeous device. The 3D curved body and the display looks beautiful. The leather strap is of premium quality. The device is IP57 waterproof and it works as an earphone as well once you take the tracker out of its strap. And now let's talk about the display. TalkBand B6 comes with a 1.53 inch AMOLED display with 326 ppi. So the display is very sharp and super beautiful. And because of the 3D curved display, the viewing angles are so nice as well, as you can see here. Also the touch screen sensitivity is very nice. It's responding to all of my touches without any issue, as you can see here. So having 326 ppi AMOLED display on a fitness tracker is really nice. We will have a look in our detailed review of TalkBand B6 that how good it's going to perform in outdoors and bright sunlight, but right now it's looking super gorgeous. So this is the home screen. As you can see, we got lots of widgets and information coming on the screen right now. Here you can got some quick settings. If you swipe down from the top, here you can read the messages and notification, a brief look on the physical activities that you have done, and here you will see the call records. If you keep swiping, you will get the music player, you will get the weather widget as well, so-called card. Here is the information that you will get for your heart rate monitoring, and it will come back to call records here. So it's a continuous process for the cards, and it comes back to the home screen again. If you go to the settings, here you will find more information that you can customize the display. You can change the watch faces. We got different watch faces that you can select based on your preference. We got 6 right now. We also got card settings. You can set up the brightness. If you go advanced, you can get the option for sleep and screen on time. Card settings, you can customize the position of the cards. As you can see here, weather, music, activity records, you can even add few of them, so this is also nice. You can set the strength of the vibration, DND, and then if you press this button here, then you will find the menu where you will get all of the options. So you can see that we got phone, workout records, heart rate, SpO2, activity records, sleep tracking, stress tracking, breathing exercises, music, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer. Lots and lots of options are there. Alarm, flashlight, find phone. You can also use this fitness tracker for the remote shutter of your smartphone, and if you go to the settings, here you will find the options. You can also access the settings from the top of the home screen, and then you will reach the same spot exactly. So as you can see that Huawei TalkBand B6 is very feature rich, and it comes with lots and lots of options, especially when it comes to fitness tracking here. So this is really good. We got heart rate, SpO2 and all these things. TalkBand B6 comes with Kirin A1 chipset, Bluetooth 5.2 and 120 mAh battery. So I'm expecting that the battery life is going to be good. Huawei also claims that you will get 8 hours of continuous talk time on Huawei TalkBand B6. But we will see in our detailed review of this device that how good it's going to be in real life scenario. So at the first glance, it's looking quite nice in nearly every aspect. The design is very premium, the build quality is nice, it looks beautiful, the screen is just too gorgeous, and it comes with powerful hardware like Kirin A1 chipset, Bluetooth 5.2, and we got 120 mAh battery. But one of the most highlighted feature and USP of TalkBand B6 is that it comes with a Bluetooth headset as well. It is not unique if you know about the Huawei's TalkBand series, but comparison to other fitness tracker and smart bands, this is a nice and unique feature for sure. The device is very feature rich. It comes with lots of fitness related options, and other than that also it got lots of productivity related features too. And in our detailed review of Huawei TalkBand B6, we will talk about all of its health related features and performance as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.